guys, just want to thank you for being such loyal listeners in 2018, and we got a lot of great stuff coming up for you in 2019 too. Let's take a look back at what we just had this year.
I've been driving down these old back roads,
and I love you more than a California sunset, more than a beer when you rain.
And I fish this same old, hunt this same old woods.
it's a neon light, it's another stranger trying to talk to me.
On and drop everything. Your plans, your man, I don't see her
Singing songs till we're in the dark and drinking up.
Ever get to heaven, I got along.
I was David Ashley Parker from Powder Springs, November.
Got those eyes that'll bring you to
Girl, if you've never seen the stars from a truck bed hanging over your head,
you and me, and know that she'll drink anything with Patron.
Hey, oh yeah, those were the good days driving by my own.
In a fairy tale dress, lots to learn yet.
I know I'm going to heaven. Dark horse, free falling.
Like a kid with a toy and I ain't sharing.
Having the time of my life.
Up in New York City,
In a moment like this, looking like that, thought I'd seen it all when God made you.
I thought I was over you.
that watch I gave you still looks good.
And I'm gonna live it up on the good stuff.
Whole lot of fish in the river.
well, I know it's late and I ain't caught in a while. To see those skylines so high, oh my.
2 days to live and lie.
Give you my best shot, baby.
We've got a lot of great stuff coming up for you in 2019. Make sure you join us. The Who's Next concert series is starting up this month.